Afrika ma Ugwe EAC chano kata kawo pach jokanyo mopogore opogore ewi paro mar tieko nyange mar nyiri e pinjego duto. Maeri en kaluwore ni nitie pinje moko ma nyange nyiri osebedo ka medore ahinya. Achiel kuom gigo moyangi kaka mathiro chenro mag tieko nyange nyiri en bedo gi ni osechak time e ute thieth gi jochiw thieth. Bende nitiere jogo matero nyithindo ma nyiri mondo mi otimnegi nyange e pinje mamoko ma libamba maonge chike mar geng'o nyangego. Kata obedo ni paro makamano chiwo ler ewi okenge mibiro kaw ne jal moyudi gi ketho, dwaro nitie mar keto okenge makare mar geng'o nyange mar nyiri kendo chiwo tiegruok ne oganda.
We can enforce the laws together so that it can curb the cross-border. We have a lot of issues in cross-border. We have a lot of issues of our girls going to our neighbors. We also have porous borders. So the regional bill is going to give us a coordinated effort so that we implement the law together. If you practice FGM in Uganda, you do it in Kenya, Tanzania, Somalia, the law applies.
We have an issue of FGM being practiced by medical practitioners and also within medical institutions. So Kenya is actually top 5 of the countries that have medicalized FGM, and it's something that is spreading because the advocacy that took place before concentrated on the harms of FGM. So you're seeing people trying to mitigate that harm by opting to go to medical practitioners.
I've realized the government and the NGOs and everyone is reacting on the FGM, but no one is putting mind on the prevention, because it's not good when we have communities fighting, with the government just because they don't know. We want to know how do we put procedures in place to prevent this thing from happening in the first place.